¡Ay! Me morí.
What am I eating?
Please don't. I'm innocent. I swear.
What?
I sorry, Cook die.
I know.
Oh shit, the owner's back.
Sálganse, cerotes. Váyanse a la mierda. Afuera, pa' afuera, pa' afuera.
English, motherfucker.
I still don't understand a word you said.
Váyate a la mierda. Pinche gringuito. Vaya. De cualquier modo. Ahora, ¿qué quiere?
I ordered a quarter pounder like 5 minutes ago.
Ah, sí, disculpa, los morimos acá. Acá toma. Acá está su quarter pounder, $4.65.
That's a. I got $12.
Ay, gracias. Chinga. Qué
I'm gonna steal all your chicken.
Don't worry, and what is going on in here?
Why are you face fucking me?
Hola, ¿qué quiere usted?
I'm hiding first.
Estos pinches cerotes me están robando toda la...
Pay for the chicken!
¡Sí! ¿Qué quiere usted? ¿Ah?
I still ain't paying for the chicken.
¿Qué quiere?
I don't know what you're saying, and that's on my own fault.
What do you want?
Equal rights for everybody?
No.
Just
What do you want?
Deadpan. No.
I want horchata.
¿Una horchata? Ah, pues sí.
I want them from his cannons, though. I want from his horchata cannons.
Ah, pues, hello. Venga,
I'm very scared now.
venga. Véngate, pues.
Piss off! Yes, spooky bitch. I'm glad my pain is funny for you.
Hola. Si van a ordenar, pues vengan. Si no, pues váyanse a la verga. Sí.
That's the new banner for this job.
Ya, pues.
How did he die?
Tocó en la pared.
No, it just respawns you for some reason.
You touched the door and you
Oh, now it's over here. I give up. Yeah, if you walk into the wall, you die. Is that a Kellogg's cereal box?
Yeah. No, I like it because, like, if you get close, you hear the music, and then there's my bitch ass. Ah, me voy a caer. I almost fell.
Hey Holmes, what you want? What you want? We got that Mexican food.
This is the ARF taco truck now.
What kind of tacos you want?
¿Qué tipo de taco? Tenemos burritos, tenemos quesadillas, tenemos acá, tenemos de todo. ¿Qué quieres, ah?
Got any Baja Blast?
Hey, we don't speak no Taco Bell here.
What am I?
Fuck, what you want? Okay, we got pupusas, we have quesadillas, we got empanadas.
Do you think I
we
can
got...
rob them?
I don't know.
Crunchwrap Supreme.
Go touch the
Baja
button,
Blast.
yeah.
What you want?
I want your money.
Give me your money.
I want your money.
You, come here.
Give me your money.
Here's your Crunchwrap Supreme.
This is a robbery.
Yes.
15 credits. 15 credits, please. Thank you.
No, you're lucky.
Never taught me how to count.
No, give me that. Give me that.
Anyways, I'm
Somebody-
Sergeant First Class
Somebody
now,
should just
so,
reach
you
through
know,
the
that's
truck
fun.
and touch the wall.
Okay, so what you want?
Cadet, I'm the only cadet here.
Fine, I'll pull it somewhere they can't.
I'm white.
There you go. Put it away!
Legs.
I like how throughout the week we just kind of lose our CCPs. Like, they kind of just disappear sometimes.
How the fuck did I get over here? Sorry, I'm like
I
actually
don't know.
standing right now and I got from the door all the way to my dresser.
Hey, man, we don't do drugs here.
Hey, no hacemos las drogas acá,
Amigas
lo
didn't come here.
vendemos. We sell them, but we don't do them.
I work here now.
Hey, what you doing in here, Holmes? What you doing in here, Holmes?
Oh, you-
Ours only, man.
I make the cheese.
Ah,
Ah, pues. Come here then. Come here then. Come here. Come here. If you make the cheese, you go in here. Go in here. No, not there. In there.
Spit on me.
Sorry, this food truck is shut down.
perchance. Oh, there's Checkmate. And Penguin. And everybody else.
Oh, shit.
Do it again.
Hey. Be professional. Be professional.
Fucking, it's the cholo pose.
That way makes me mad. And I die.
Oh, he dead. Oh, I'm dead.
Get down! Get on the ground!
Taco truck!
¡Mi tacos!
I'm with you, Tit.
Chinga su madre, cerotes.
No, you're not. You're there.
This is a banger!
Who did it? Who jumped the stairs? I saw that. I saw that. Halo, get your ass the fuck back here.
You jumped the stairs, Halo.
Fucking hell.
The stairs. Yeah, I couldn't get you anything, man. Playing.
Highcom basically unanimously said, yeah, it should be gear. So good shit. Hey, what do y'all want? Hey, it's me. I own the taco truck. Hey, it's me.
I want a Crunchwrap
Colonize
Supreme
the
with some
taco
Baja
truck,
Blast.
guys. It's me.
Of course, the white man takes it.
sell
I'm the
Son
rich
gringos y me están robando la mierda.
I'm the only white guy here.
And you have to give it to us. So it's
Also, I did process that my mom's gonna question why I just randomly screamed tacos.
It got one.
I just randomly went, my tacos! And my mom's gonna be like, the fuck is this
You got
kid doing?
executed in the car. It was all them.
¡Ey! ¡Al demonio! No hice nada.
Where'd you? No. We need to go get weapons. We need to fight back.
couldn't get commando. I couldn't get commando.
Now welcome back to Buzz.
We
Trooper of the
sell
week, it
sugar.
should have been me.
We sell sugar, but you have to harvest the sugar to give it to us so we can sell it to you at an unreasonable price. Okay.
Fuck, this is a
Hola, ¿qué
Chinese
quiere?
censorship.
What you
It's a
want?
Chinese
Tacos,
censorship.
burritos?
It's a Chinese
Who called the food truck?
Pardon?
No, it's a Chinese censorship. It's a Chinese censorship.
Get out of here.
I'll be honest, it might be one of the
Guys.
huecos. It might be one of the huecos.
Who called?
It might have been one of the huecos.
Yeah, I want some
Oh,
Lucky
honest with
Charms.
you.
No, that's a Chinese censorship. When you kill what's his name, Blasey.
You just called
I want some Lucky Charms.
Lucky Charms, I we.
Yes, but no for long.
You know what? Let me check the storage. Here you go, your Lucky Charms.
Oh shit. I want his gun. Where did his gun go? Show your back now. Look, the Chinese censorship censor your blood.
I see the damn bell. Put it away.
Supposed to be a special.
Yeah.
Supposed to be a special.
Can I get a cheeseburger?
Just pronounce
Did you die?
Shots! Dilophosaurus, get the fuck out there! Get the fuck out there, Dilopho!
Hey,
Get
what
the
the
fuck out
hell? I try
there!
to run business.
No, Delta! Behind us! Ah!
Where'd he go?
No, hey, it's the crippled.
Chinga su madre, Cerote, se estaba poniendo
Oh my God.
I'm behind you! Behind you! Oh my god! Run! Run! Run!
Shit. No. La arma.
This is a no-no gun. Who
Ey,
the
yo no
fuck
lo
out
agarré.
still
No,
on
no
duty?
fui yo. Yo no fui. ¿Ah?
No, it's not.
Motherfucker, speak
This
it.
shit's
Okay.
done. It's done. The meeting's over. Penguin's gone.